How to fix PayPal cannot send money. So to fix a mobile issue where you cannot send money on PayPal, the first thing what you can do is check account status and limits. Just log in via a browser to check your resolution center or notification for pending identity verification or security restrictions. Also, confirm your email address, bank account and debit card are fully confirmed. And reduce the transfer amount if you're exceeding your daily, weekly or monthly maximum limit. Now to fix app and connection issues, what you can do is, if you are on Android device, go to your phone settings, find the PayPal app and clear the temporary cache and data. Now the next what you can do is scroll down the control center from the top of your screen and toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out local internet connectivity blocks. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app and software. Just go to your App Store or just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the PayPal app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Or you can just go to your device settings and then check for the latest software update. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.